This is the experience, guys, if you stuck in the highway waiting the towing guy. See? So as you can see, it's about 9:58 Friday night. See? In the highway, I'm still waiting the towing guy to pick up me in the highway. See? It's dark. So let's see until he coming to tow me and to send me at home. Okay, so this is the first experience how to survive in the highway without helping friends. And then I thank to the African guys to help me to close to Makun from Hellbright, between Hellbright and Weybourne. So it's unexpected experience and unexpected moment after 2 hours in the app or more than 2 hours to my backup African guy to help me every time boostering step by step, a little by little, and then begin closer to the Makun area at Saskatchewan, Canada. Right now, it's totally dark. There's a blue sky, some areas, scattered areas, but it's totally dark in my surrounding area, without neighbors, with between the highway and the green grass. So only me. I'm only here to waiting the reinforcement coming from Esteban to pick up me here. Okay, with the best deal. In my experience, stay in the highway is it's about 5 hours staying here until totally dark. The mosquitoes is still hungry with me. Okay, so that's the highway experience after more than 9 years driving in the highway. This is my first experience. Wow, it's fun, it's sad, lonely. See the neighbors, it's too far. It's approximately 26 to 20 kilometers. The neighbors here is only the blinking lights from a far away. See the yellow? It's too far. I'm alone in the highway right now. 30 to 40 minutes between to survive and to pick up me here. So it's fine. It's another experience. If you experience the alternator, there's a damage because not charging. My battery is almost new, 2 to 3 months using. Okay, and then the second is empty oil in the engine stick. That's the worst, eh? So after the checkup in Regina Pascua, this is the best experience in 2025 alone in the highway. Okay. With the cars passing by, running 110 km per hour to 100. A little bit worries about the trucks. If I'm sleeping here, maybe possible I hit me. Okay, that's it. So this is my vlog for today. I'm waiting the rescue from Esteban. So all my stuff totally packed up. Okay. So No chance. Just wait. More patience. There's nothing to do. My golly. So, just wait. See? The car's passing by 110 kilometer per hour. I don't know how many minutes staying, see, in the highway. It's totally dark. Stuck. Hopefully, it's cloudy and a little bit windy. Okay. Hopefully, this is the rescue or some other vehicle passing by. See? In the side mirror. We luckily, earlier, no police. It's past 10. In my blog for today, this is a tips. So every time you travel, make sure you have a booster cable or portable cable with including flashlight and USB combination and pump air. That's the worst. I forgot to bring it, the charger in my booster to my vehicle, even a brand new vehicle. So instead, not bothering other friends or co-workers, this is it. Unexpected. Bring tires, check the engine, check the tires, check the horn, check the washer fluid, brake fluid, engine oil, and transmission oil. Always replace. So that's the worst. It happened. And the worst case now is not charging my battery even it's brand new. So I'm stuck at the moment. So only need and plus need more patience. Bring foods, drinks. Because you have no choice. If you're thirsty, hungry. See? So because I have no stock of water here, so I wanna drink my all-time favorite. It's an energy drink because I'm a little bit thirsty in the highway. So this is the first experience in the highway. Okay. I drink my Rockstar energy drink. See? Rockstar energy drink. It's totally dark in the highway. My golly. There's nothing to do. More patience, more experience. If we stuck in the highway, we start stuck in the highway past 4 o'clock between Hellbright and Makun, or My Day. There's a call.